Hello there. I'm the Word Wizard, a time-travelling tale collector with a suitcase full of stories and a head full of imagination. This summer, I've landed right here at the Friary Guildford with a magical mission to create the big Guildford storybook. We're making a book filled with amazing stories from children in Guildford. And guess what? We'd love to add yours. Write a tale inspired by our wonderful town. Its people, its places, its secrets, or go completely magical with something out of this world. What if there were an alien invasion during late night shopping at the Friary Guildford? Or a dragon snoozing under Guildford Castle? Maybe you'll uncover a secret door behind the shelves in the town library. Need help getting started? Here are 3 quick tips. 1. Start with what if? What if the riverway could talk? 2. Think about the 5 W's: who, what, where, when, and why your character, the setting, and the adventure. 3. Try writing the ending first. And that's how Guildford was saved. Then tell me how it happened. The top 30 stories will be published in a very special book. And here's the best part. All the money raised from the book will go to charity. A brilliant ending for a brilliant project. But you must hurry. Your story needs to be complete by the 31st of August. To help you on your writing quest, I'll be sharing more tips and tricks all summer long on social media. There'll also be a downloadable story template and a treasure trove of inspiration on the Friary's website. I can't wait to see what magical, marvellous stories are waiting inside your imagination. Now, pick up your pen, open your mind, and let the adventure begin.